Yeah, I might have to do this video in a couple parts. I don't know. It's giving me a couple minutes, giving me like 3 minutes. So I wanted to talk about what had happened at work. So there's this lady that every time when I come in, like the first day when I was reassigned, I'm assigned by eligibility, right? So there's this lady, every time when I come in, I can feel how jacked up her energy is behind me, right? Now, if you know, I'm not going to even explain it. So, okay, Wednesday, I'm talking to this lady. I'm going to call her Miss Glasses. So I'm talking to Miss Glasses and we having a great conversation. I'm chopping it up with her. When I tell y'all, we talk for hours on end. This lady's supposed to leave at 1 o'clock, but we just have a great chemistry together. It's like we've been knowing each other. Now, mind you, this lady is a lot older than me, I believe. She told me she's in her 60s, like close to the 70s, but she looks amazing, right? So we just chopping it up and we just talking. And all of a sudden, I'm gonna call this lady Raggedy Ann. All of a sudden, Raggedy Ann comes around and she says good morning. But when she says good morning, she's not looking at me, she's looking at Miss Glasses. So I'm not thinking she's talking to me. So, again, we having a good conversation. She interrupts our conversation. So I'm just waiting to get back to the conversation. Okay. So when she happens to notice I didn't say good morning, Miss Glasses said, "Oh, well, she's talking to you." So I was like, "Oh, good morning, Raggedy Ann," like that. Then Raggedy Ann, okay, starts to proceed to tell me how when she was growing up, they were taught morals and values. That was number one insult. Then number two came when she stated that, usually when, you know, I expect people to say good morning. If I say good morning, that was number two, y'all. And number three, all of a sudden, Miss Raggedy Ann states that, don't get sensitive. And I was like, sensitive. I said, I was just having a conversation with Miss Glasses, and you pulled up and started insulting me, right? Now, mind you, this lady didn't apologize or anything to me, right? So I just chopped it up and I continued talking to Miss Glasses. And I'm like, she could have just waited until you left, took me off to the side, and, we could have had a conversation about that. But no, she wanted to do it in front of you. So I ended up chopping her right in front of her. Okay. So let's say I'm gonna have to probably do a part two, but let's say it's this morning. I work from 12 midnight to 8:30 in the morning. So I'm walking in. I came in early, it was like 11:36, and I said I'm gonna go get some coffee. Part two coming up.